Howdy. I've got here an EY padlock. It's a older brass padlock, but it's an interesting design. This lock's on loan from Jeff Moss, and I believe it made its way from J.M. Murdy through Bosnian Bill, and eventually to Jeff, and on loan to me to pick. And I've got to do it on camera, or else Jeff will never believe that I picked it. In any case, this is a interesting lock because it's got both top pin tumblers, 5 pins, and some dimples on the side. So we've got dimple pins on the side here. If you can see that in the keyway. Lock has a very good solid spring feel. Very reminiscent of the Italian Corbins that I've picked before. Good solid lock. Gonna give it a try with got a homemade feeler gauge pick here, just a very shallow hook. I'm going to use that for the top pins. Oh, by the way, side note, just tried this out today for the first time. It's kind of double-walled shrink tube. Makes a really nice 3/4 inch. Makes a really nice handle, nice soft handle for these if you want to keep it from cutting your fingers if you use these feeler gauge picks a lot. And a little dimple flag. Bent windshield wiper, and we're going to give it a go after I pick up that dimple pick. So I'm going to start with the dimples, theory being maybe the dimples are larger diameter pins. They might bind before these ones will. Also, they kind of get in the way, so maybe getting them out of the way will help me get to those top pins. So let's go ahead and just start down through here. Feel our way down 1 through 5. Pin 2, a little bit of a set. I feel like I overlifted some of those. I'm going to let it reset. Start again from the top. Pin 2 feels like it's a little bind there. I've got to dig underneath it to get my flag under it. Yeah, it's got that little click again. There's a little bit of a false set. That was pin 3. So I came back to pin 1. It felt like it was a very, very light set there. And pin 3 went into a false set. So I felt there was a slight shift. So maybe I can go to my top pins now. Four is binding, set. 5 is binding, set, and it's open. So there you go. There's your very interesting EY padlock. Thanks, Jeff, for the loan, and thanks wherever this came from originally. J.M. Murdy. Was fun to pick. Thanks for watching.